Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And it was a good day, and it was a bad day. It started off as a very bad day because sure, the price went down, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done. But yeah, the price went down, but then it actually kept going down and broke to the downside of this channel that I've talked about in past videos. And after it broke to the downside, it just kept falling and falling and falling. So it definitely was a bad day in that sense. And to think that at one point the price is all the way down there, that's pretty crazy. But it was also a good day, and the impressive part was that yeah, the price went all the way down there. However, by the time the closing bell had come around, the price was actually able to get back up above that green line and therefore back inside of this overall channel. So that was a nice little sign. Now, there's still a lot of work to be done. Obviously, you'd want to see the price get a little bit more so inside of the channel. But to be fair, the price is now back inside of the channel, and that is definitely a very interesting dynamic going forward, and one that I should note, this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be wondering the same thing, and that is, okay, can the price now stay up around 465, or is this just a little miniature dead cat bounce and this thing's going to roll back over? Maybe this is the start of something bigger and it'll work its way back inside, deeper inside of the overall channel here. But that's definitely a dynamic that, like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching right around that 465 mark. And in particular, is the price going to be able to stay up above it, or is the price going to, lose its footing on it again? In the event the price does pull back a bit, then the overall level of support that I think made itself pretty apparent after today was right down here around $4.15. So keep an eye on 415 if the price does fail to hold up above 465. In terms of levels of resistance, near-term one is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and that is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. It was an area of support going into today, but now that the price is down below it, that would be that initial area of resistance. So again, yeah, it was a rough day, but it was still a solid day on the bulls' part, so we'll see if they can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.